when you're doing Google searches for Amazon products, type in Amazon.com or .ca, best sellers, then type in the category that you want. Or if you want to know what the movers and shakers are, type in movers and shakers, then type in, your fitness, or put in health and fitness. Health and fitness. Okay? If you want to know gift ideas, what do people want? Obviously an important category. So health and fitness, what that will do with Google is it's going to bring you to the page on Amazon that is specific to what you typed in. So now you can see the movers and shakers. This is actually the movers and shakers, the top movers and shakers for every particular category. But I want the movers and shakers, the biggest gainers in sports, the biggest gainers in home sales, the biggest gainers in pet supplies, books, video games, the biggest gainers in, let's go fitness. We'll skip health and fitness. You can put supplements, but let's put fitness. So it's giving me sports as the primary one. Now I can go like, well, let's see best sellers in fitness. Best sellers in fitness. There we go. So exercise equipment, fitness planners, exercise bands, fitness and yoga. There's a bunch of subcategories to the main category as well. So you have the main category here, Amazon's best sellers. It's updated hourly, so it's always changing. You got your primary category, all the subcategories. You can even look into the sub of the subcategories, and you can see what the best sellers are in right up to that specific niche. So now, if you're in here, if you have Jungle Scout, you can run your Jungle Scout. It will then show you from the #1 product in exercise and fitness all the way down to, I think, the top 100 it explores. So, and I can exact, more information, obviously. I don't know why my computer is so slow.